10 facts proving even the Queen has strange habits. She never travels without a pack of her blood. Being a queen, she travels a lot and always has to be prepared for any sort of emergency. Her entourage includes a medical practitioner who is responsible for knowing the location of nearby hospitals when she travels. She never forgets to carry a bag of blood, which can come in handy anytime. She dislikes ice cubes. The Queen dislikes the sound of ice cubes in her glass. It's one of her pet peeves. Instead of ice cubes, she prefers ice balls, as the sound is much more musical. Her husband Prince Philip even invented the special machine that makes tiny ice balls, so the Queen can enjoy her favorite drink. She prohibits opening windows. The point is that the building should look perfect from the outside. Opening windows from its front side can ruin the view. That's why the windows there can be opened only at a certain hour. She carries a portable hook in her bag. It turns out that the Queen attaches a hook under tables to hang her bag on it. This is important because she sends signals to her servants with her bag. For example, if the bag is on the floor, it's a sign that Queen Elizabeth II wants to leave. She has a number for all her outfits. Each outfit the Queen has its number and a certain record in a journal that says where and when she wore this exact outfit. Since the Queen prefers bright colors and a classic style in her clothing, the outfits can easily be mixed up. She isn't a fan of beards and bow ties. This is why the men from her close circle are all clean-shaven. The only exception is her favorite grandson, Prince Harry. The Queen isn't fond of waistcoats and bow ties either, though not all of them, but just the fake bow ties, which she can detect in a matter of seconds. She never eats soup and potatoes. These dishes are served in Buckingham Palace, but when the Queen has dinner alone, no one would dare to bring her soup. As for potatoes, it's not that she doesn't like them, she just prefers to avoid starch in her diet. She has a special servant to break her shoes in. A special female servant with the same shoe size as the Queen breaks her new shoes in for her. Although Elizabeth II has preferred similar shoes of the same brand for many years, she still doesn't want to experience the discomfort that new shoes usually bring. She loves raspberries but never eats them in public. Raspberries are one of the Queen's favorite berries, but she can't eat them in public because their seeds can get stuck in teeth, which is unacceptable. Blackberries are also prohibited at official receptions. She has worn the same nail polish since 1989. The Queen loves to experiment with bright colors when it comes to her outfits, but when it's about the nail polish, she prefers one particular brand with a particular color. She has been using the nail polish from Essie brand and the color is Ballet Slipper.